Jonathan, who's the conductor?
So let's see top of the hat.
No. Uh-oh. We gotta slow down. Pennsylvania's gonna catch up.
How can Pennsylvania catch up if we go 5 and 5?
That's a good question. Let's hook up the Pennsylvania to Thomas. Alright, let's stop it right there. Let's stop it right there. The Pennsylvania's gonna keep pushing Thomas. Okay. Let's hook them up right here.
So that's gonna be tricky because they both are fixed needs.
That is right. It's tricky to hook up, isn't it? Okay, let's let it run. It's good to go. We got the 2 trains hooked up. Go ahead. There it goes. Whoa. Whoa.
Firewall. I
Alright.
haven't put these boxes in the boxers yet.
You want to put them in there?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it around and then we'll stop it where it's nice and convenient. Oh, okay.
Jonathan, how old are you?
How old are you? Jonathan, how old are you?
Jonathan, are you 1?
Jonathan, are you 1? Why don't you put some animals in there? You ready to go?
No. Still putting the boxes.
Whoa. Jonathan.
I got to fix 1 more box.
Alright. Where is it being delivered to?
A building.
A building? You're building something?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like wood. Wood. It's wood.
Alright, go ahead.
I made an animal train.
You an animal train? Cool. Let's see the whistle again. Okay, let's do it. Jonathan. Yeah, train! Here comes Thomas! Here comes Thomas! Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Bye-bye, train! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Alright.
They're building a new
Here's
zoo.
baby Benjamin.
We're in the zoo?
Yeah, a new one.
Oh, and that's what the blocks are for?
Yeah.
That makes sense. Here comes Thomas again. Is this the island of Sodor?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, maybe it's building a new train station at Misty Island.
They don't have train stations there.
I know, so that's why they're building one there. Remember they rediscovered Misty Island?
How do you know they're building a new one?
You told me.
No, they're building a new one at the castle.
At the castle?
Yeah, because
King's castle?
Yeah.
Where Stephen is?
yeah,
Okay.
Stephen comes there more times than Thomas.
Oh. Yeah.
Stephen is a Catholic.
I think it's you.
Daddy, wait up.
There's mommy. Jonathan, where's mommy? Yeah, where's Papa? Where's Papa? Where's Papa? You don't want to play with me? Okay, where's Matthew? Where's Jonathan? Where's Jonathan? Yeah, can you say mama? Can you say mama? Watch out, your head. Okay, Jonathan, say goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Is he gonna be shunting that train?
Yes. Daddy, why is Thomas not good at shunting?
He is good at shunting. He's a really useful engine.
Yeah, but he can't shunt for long train.
Looks like something's stuck on the track.